Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make sweet potato fries in the air fryer. My sweet potato has been cut up. I've added salt and pepper and oil. I have started the Ninja Foodie to preheat it for a couple minutes. I'm going to add my lid to my Tupperware container, and I use Tupperware because it's nice and tight. So I'm going to seal this up and I'm going to shake it, and then I'm going to throw it in the air fryer. I'm going to set the air fryer for 8 minutes. They're not quite done enough, so I'm going to start them for another 3 minutes. They have gone about 14 minutes and they're done.